歡迎來到嗨學英語。今天我們一起來學習考試現場常用詞彙。本期視頻會帶你認識28個高頻詞彙，並搭配28個實用例句。跟着畫面邊看邊學，輕鬆記住考試現場會用到的常用單詞。準備好了嗎？咱們這就開始。考試
Exam.
Exam.
考試9點開始。
The exam starts at 9.
The exam starts at 9.
測驗
Test.
Test.
測驗在這個房間開始。
The test begins in this room.
The test begins in this room.
小測
Quiz.
Quiz.
鈴響後，我們的小測開始。
Our quiz starts after the bell.
Our quiz starts after the bell.
題目
Question.
Question.
書寫前讀每個問題。
Read each question before writing.
Read each question before writing.
答案
Answer.
Answer.
把答案寫在線上。
Write the answer on the line.
Write the answer on the line.
試卷
Paper.
Paper.
把你的試卷放在桌上。
Put your paper on the desk.
Put your paper on the desk.
分數
Score.
Score.
老師安靜地寫下我的分數。
The teacher writes my score quietly.
The teacher writes my score quietly.
記號
Mark.
Mark.
在你的名字旁做個記號。
Put a mark beside your name.
Put a mark beside your name.
遞給
Pass.
Pass.
我把答題紙遞給安娜。
I pass my sheet to Anna.
I pass my sheet to Anna.
不及格
Fail.
Fail.
我的口語部分不及格。
I fail the speaking part.
I fail the speaking part.
作弊
Cheat.
Cheat.
不要在這個房間作弊。
Do not cheat in this room.
Do not cheat in this room.
緊張
Nervous.
Nervous.
他在桌前很緊張。
She is nervous at her desk.
She is nervous at her desk.
安靜
Silence.
Silence.
現在教室裡一片安靜。
Silence fills the classroom now.
Silence fills the classroom now.
專心
Concentrate.
Concentrate.
請專心看第一頁。
Please concentrate on the first page.
Please concentrate on the first page.
準備
Prepare.
Prepare.
學生們把鉛筆準備在桌上。
Students prepare their pencils on the desk.
Students prepare their pencils on the desk.
複習
Review.
Review.
他在外面快速複習。
He does a quick review outside.
He does a quick review outside.
複習
Revision.
Revision.
他的複習筆記放在椅子下。
Her revision notes stay under her chair.
Her revision notes stay under her chair.
成绩
Result.
Result.
成绩出现在屏幕上。
The result appears on the screen.
The result appears on the screen.
错誤
Mistake.
Mistake.
用红笔圈出错誤。
Circle the mistake with a red pen.
Circle the mistake with a red pen.
正确的
Correct.
Correct.
在答题纸上选正确的方框。
Choose the correct box on the sheet.
Choose the correct box on the sheet.
空白的
Blank.
Blank.
这个方框留空。
Leave this box blank.
Leave this box blank.
截止时间
Deadline.
Deadline.
截止时间在黑板上。
The deadline is on the board.
The deadline is on the board.
提交
Submit.
Submit.
离开电脑前点击提交。
Click Submit before leaving the computer.
Click Submit before leaving the computers.
说明
Instruction.
Instruction.
读顶部的说明。
Read the instruction at the top.
Read the instruction at the top.
计算
Calculate.
Calculate.
在答题纸上计算总数。
Calculate the total on your sheet.
Calculate the total on your sheet.
记得
Remember.
Remember.
记得写你的名字。
Remember to write your name.
Remember to write your name.
重要的
Important.
Important.
老师指着重要日期。
The teacher points to important dates.
The teacher points to important dates.
忘記
Forget.
Forget.
不要忘记你的学号。
Do not forget your student number.
Do not forget your student number.